Once Exam 4 is opened, maximise it by double-clicking on the white space at the top. Remember, in open mode you can use the second screen, as long as you've tested it works in advance. First, you must fetch your exam paper. Remember, for the real exams, you will not be able to fetch your paper until the exam start time. Click on Exam Info, then Exam Document. Now drop down on the document ID, and the paper you've selected will be the only one listed. Click Fetch. As you can see, we're using one of the viewable questions to demonstrate this. Once opened, click on Side by Side View. Be aware that your exam time starts when you click Fetch, so you must start your own personal timer at this point, as it is your responsibility to keep track of your exam time. It's important to note that Exam 4 does not stop the exam. You must click End Exam at the end of your allotted time. Make sure your screen appears like this before your exam day. If it does not, there is likely a very simple solution. If your view does not look exactly like this, for example, if you do not have grey borders on either side and you cannot see the whole of the question paper, you need to adjust your settings, most likely selecting a smaller font size when you load up Exam 4. First, look at the guidance in the online exam FAQs and follow the instructions provided. If this still does not solve the issue, you must email the education team before your exam day. You must practice using Exam 4 several times in advance and do this by using the viewable questions from the course list. Whilst you can click Hide at any time and just click back on Exam Document to see it again, we would recommend you leave it in side-by-side view the entire time. The writing area remains the same size whether you have the exam paper on the right hand side or not. You cannot adjust the left and right hand sides of the screen. Please note, if you did try to fetch the paper before the start window, you'll get an error message saying the document will not be available until the start time. Wait until the correct time and then click Fetch again.